Hey, Hasper here with WTI, and do you have curly hair just like me? Well, if you do, I want to recommend this awesome conditioner. This is the TRESemmé Flawless Curls Coconut Essence, and this one is by far one of my favorite conditioners from the brand. I love how it smells, and not only how it smells, but also the thickness of the product. When I use this conditioner, it feels just right. I really feel like this is a good product that my hair loves. I basically love anything coconut, so this one is definitely a great choice. I feel like it detangles my hair really easily. I don't have to go through my hair over and over again because this conditioner helps a lot with the detangling process. So this is definitely something I am so glad I added to my hair routine, and every time I wash my hair, it is so grateful for this product. So if you want to try out a new conditioner for your curly hair and well, get flawless curls just like the name on it, I think this one you should try out. And yeah, that's my point of view.